With the permission of my Lord, Honorable the Chief Justice, may we begin the inaugural ceremony. Thank you. Good morning to one and all present. A heartiest welcome to all the dignitaries, members of the registry, newly appointed trainee judicial officers, ladies and gentlemen. Today is the first day of the induction training program for the 28 newly appointed officers in grade 3 of Assam and Mizoram Judicial Service. And to grace this occasion, we have amongst us Honorable the Chief Justice, Guwahati High Court, Honorable Mr. Justice L.S. Jamir, Judge in Charge, Administrative Department, Guwahati High Court, Honorable Mr. Justice M.R. Pathak, Judge in Charge, Training, Guwahati High Court, accompanied by other honorable judges of Guwahati High Court, and also Honorable Mr. Justice Retired Mir Alfaz Ali, Director, Judicial Academy, Assam. May I now humbly request Honorable the Chief Justice, Honorable Mr. Justice L.S. Jamir, Honorable Mr. Justice M.R. Pathak, and Honorable Mr. Justice Retired Mir Alfaz Ali, Director, Judicial Academy, Assam, to kindly grace their presence at the dais. I request Sri Ratnadev Bhattacharya to kindly escort Honorable the Chief Justice to the dais. Thank you, Lordship. We all know Goddess Saraswati is an embodiment of wisdom, knowledge, and learning. In order to seek Ma Saraswati's blessings, we would like to begin today's formal ceremony with a Saraswati Vandana. May I now invite Ms. Darshi and her group, all students of National Law University Guwahati, to sing this Saraswati Vandana. Thank you, Ms. Darshi and team members for such a beautiful rendition of the Vandana. Now we would like to proceed to the felicitation ceremony. As a mark of respect and deep veneration, we would like to welcome Honorable the Chief Justice with a traditional gamocha. I request Sri S.P. Moitro, Faculty Judicial Academy Assam, to do the honors. Thank you, Moitro sir. Next, I request Srimati Mriduchanda Bordoloi, Faculty Judicial Academy Assam, to felicitate Honorable Mr. Justice L.S. Jamir, Judge in Charge, Administrative Department. Thank you, ma'am. Now, may I request Sri Ratnadev Bhattacharya, Faculty Judicial Academy Assam, to welcome Honorable Mr. Justice M.R. Pathak, Judge in Charge Training. Thank you, sir. Next, may we proceed to the lamp lighting ceremony. As we all know, an illuminating light reminds us that there is darkness, but there is also hope, and light is burning out for others and showing us the path. In order to augment the divine guidance, may I now invite the dignitaries on the dais to please kindle the ceremonial lamp. I also request Dipshikha and Parvish to assist the dignitaries in lighting of the lamp. Thank you, Lordships. May the flame of divine wisdom bless us all. Now, may I request Honorable Mr. Justice M.R. Pathak, Judge in Charge Training, to kindly deliver the welcome address. Lordship.
Namaskar and very good morning to everyone present here and to all those who are connected online. On this memorable day, it is my privilege to extend a very cordial welcome to all of you on behalf of the Judicial Academy Assam. We feel honored and gratified that Your Lordship, Honorable Mr. Justice Sandeep Mehta, Chief Justice of the Guwahati High Court, the High Court of Assam, Nagaland, Mizoram, and Arunachal Pradesh, and the Chairperson, Board of Management of Judicial Academy Assam is in our midst today to inaugurate the Induction Training Program for the 28 newly appointed officers in Grade 3 of Assam, Mizoram Judicial Service. Judicial Academy is very close to His Lordship's heart. Lordship was looking after the Rajasthan Judicial Academy for a long period till his elevation as the Chief Justice of our High Court. Lordship, we welcome you. I also welcome in our midst Honorable Mr. Justice L.S. Jamir, Judge Administration, Guwahati High Court, Honorable Mr. Justice Retired Mir Alfaz Ali, former judge of Guwahati High Court and presently the Director of Judicial Academy, Assam. Honorable sister and brother judges of the Guwahati High Court, Mr. Gautam Barua, Registrar General Guwahati High Court, and his companion officers in the Registry of the Guwahati High Court. Learned faculty members, the research officer, staff of the Judicial Academy, Assam. Now, for these young, talented, energetic, and enthusiastic 28 judicial officers selected recently for their appointment in Grade 3 judicial services for their respective states of Assam and Mizoram, for whom this ceremonial program has been organized today. Hearty congratulations to all of you, and I, on behalf of the Judicial Academy Assam, warmly welcome you to the judicial family. You will undergo a year-long training that will be offered by our Judicial Academy, which will help you to tune yourselves to take over the new assignment with confidence. Wishing you all the best. Now I shall introduce these young judicial officers before this august house. From the list of Assam, Srimati Pooja Sharma, Sri Hriday Jyoti Kashyap, Srimati Pallavi Joshi, Sri Hadi Alam, Sri Brishti Rekha Mohanta, Srimati Khushbu Damani, Sri Kaustav Mani Sharma, Sri Debanga Bhushan Goswami, Sri Pratik Parashar Sharma, Sri Sukanya Hazarika, Sri Anjan Nath, Sri Monosijo Bhattacharya, Sri Sangita Hazarika, Srimati Jahnavi Das, Srimati Amrita Basumatari, Sri Aditya Vikram Das, Srimati Hema Prabha Deuri, Srimati Monisha Das, Srimati Quinsmita Saikia, Sri Monojyoti Mili, Srimati Plavita Boro, Sri Dipsang Shyam. Now from the list of Mizoram, U C Libak Moana, P Ishar Jorini Hauhnar, P Lianmai Haunar, U Jonung Maiwa, U Bhandal Rualata, and Pu C Lal Remtha. Wishing you all the best. Once again, I, on behalf of the Judicial Academy, I welcome all present here. Sincere thanks to all of you for your kind presence. Thank you, and Jai Hind.
Thank you, Lordship, for your welcome speech. It has inspired us all. Now, may I request Honorable the Chief Justice to kindly deliver the keynote address, Lordship.
Good morning. My esteemed brothers, Honorable Justice Jamil, Honorable Justice Patak, Honorable Justice Michael, Honorable Justice Shyam, Honorable Justice Surana, Honorable Justice Chaudhary, Registrar General, officers of the registry, Director Mr. Mir Al-Fazali, the faculty members, the newly selected judicial officers, and the officers in budding, the students of the National Law University, Assam. I'm really delighted that on this first visit of mine to this august institution, the Assam State Judicial Academy, I am face to face with the new crop of judges who will adorn the chairs of their offices and will be the foundation of the judiciary in the times to come. Friends, you have come through tough challenges of the selection process, but the real test would come now. Why I say so? Because as has been my experience at Rajasthan, most of you are directly coming into the system, having trained hard for the recruitment process and have hardly had any exposure to the courts. The atmosphere in the courts is something different than what you experienced while making efforts to get selected in this process. Now it is the time. That is why this year-long training is planned, so that you can come to terms with what is required from you, what is expected from a judicial officer once he is working in the field. It's time for you to hone the legal acumen, sharpen your skills, imbibe a judicial culture, and inculcate an attitude befitting a judicial officer. 28 of you are indeed fortunate to have been selected to perform the sovereign functions of justice dispensation, which all of you must do without fear or favor, abiding by our constitution. Honesty in actions is presumed to be ingrained in the character of every judicial officer. Any perception to the otherwise can tarnish the image and bring the entire judicial system in disrepute. Justice is not a cloistered virtue. It must be allowed to suffer the scrutiny, and judicial officers must be respectful even to the comments of ordinarily outspoken men. As judicial officers, you all will be required to be studious, courteous, conscientious, punctual, just, impartial, fearless of public clamor, regardless of public praise. You shall have to deal with the office as a public trust. As Socrates has said, I quote, as judges, you will have to hear courteously, answer wisely, consider soberly, and decide impartially. It will be necessary for all of you to understand that it is not the knowledge of law alone, but its application coupled with your actions, which will set you apart as a judicial officer. To aid in achieving these goals, the Judicial Academy Assam has designed an extensive curriculum for the induction training. The curriculum is an exhaustive one where both procedural and substantive law will be deliberated upon. Honorable judges of the High Court, honorable judges of the Supreme Court, honorable judges of the High Court, and the faculties from the academy will be your mentors. I'm really delighted. This is where I feel that our academy at Rajasthan lags behind, that this Assam State Judicial Academy has a dedicated team of faculty members. I must congratulate you for this endeavor. Domain experts will be brought in from time to time. You all may be imparted training in different academies. I may share that I've already planned a trip to Rajasthan. Once you are through with a 2-month stint at the academy, we'll send you to Rajasthan to gel in with the batch of 120 newly selected judicial officers who probably will be starting their training within next month. It is expected that during this induction training period, you would try to optimize the potential within you so that when you adorn the chair, you do so with efficiency and sincerity and take the institution to new heights of exaltation. I may share with you that my experience at the Rajasthan State Judicial Academy was probably the most satisfying time of me being on the bench of the Rajasthan High Court. For a period of almost 3 years, I had the opportunity to share my thoughts with different batches, one of 35 people and the other of 190. And while imparting training, it was an essential requirement that every officer must try to interact with the faculty members. I would not tolerate the silence of even single of the judicial officers. They were required to speak out their mind, and if the faculty members were faltering anywhere, they were permitted to correct. Even we would form groups, and those officers who exhibited their acumen in speaking out, in giving out their mind, we would induct them as faculty members, as the resource persons during the course of the trainings. Even the preceding batches, we requested them because they were just out of the system. They had just covered the new facets of law while they were preparing for the exams. So we would bring them in as resource persons. We'll try to do the same here so that they gel with the new crop of officers. They are more at home with interacting with you and to bring out any of the doubts which are lurking in your minds. So this is my request to all of you that whenever the trainings sessions are underway, to try to be interactive, try to clear your doubts immediately, then and there, so that your skills will be sharpened beyond belief. I want you to be inquisitive, participative, full of questions, and this will really develop you into wonderful judicial officers. I extend you a warm welcome to the academy and expect that your experience of 1 year training will be highly satisfying. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you, Lordship, for your valuable speech, which has given a glimpse into the training course which the trainee officers are going to undergo. Now, may I request Honorable Mr. Justice Mir Alfaz Ali, Director, Judicial Academy, Assam, to deliver the vote of thanks.
Very good morning, Honorable Chief Justice, Honorable Justice L.H. Jamir, Honorable Justice M.R. Pathak, Judge in Charge, Honorable Justice Michael Chuthankuma, Honorable Justice Suman Shyam, Honorable Justice Kalyan Rai Surana, Honorable Justice Arundev Chaudhary, and all present here. It is indeed a proud privilege and honor to be entrusted with the task of offering vote of thanks in an august function of this nature. My Lord, Honorable the Chief Justice has been kind enough to be amongst us in spite of his busy schedules and all other essential engagements pertaining to the working day, because today is a working day. Lordship's illuminating speech, I am confident, will be a booster for all our new friends coming to the judicial fraternity in their future time. Your presence, my Lord, is really an encouragement and inspiration for all of us. I extend on my behalf and also on behalf of the Judicial Academy our sincere thanks and gratitude to my Lord, Honorable the Chief Justice. Honorable Justice L.H. Jamir, Honorable Justice M.R. Pathak, Honorable Justice Michael Chuthankuma, Honorable Justice Suman Shyam, Honorable Justice K.R. Surana, Honorable Justice Arundev Chaudhary, your Lordship's presence here is a great inspiration for our trainee officers. I am beholden to all of your Lordships. I extend our warm thanks, sincere thanks and gratitude to your Lordships. I also extend our thanks to Registrar General and his teams, the faculty members, the trainees, and all present over here. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.
Thank you, Lordship. With my Lord's permission, may we declare that the 1 year induction training for the 28 newly appointed officers in Grade 3 of Assam and Mizoram Judicial Service has formally begun. As we wind up this session, may I request the dignitaries on and off the dais and the trainee officers to please proceed towards the entrance of the academy for a joint photograph and thereafter to join us for a cup of tea. Thank you.